All right, everybody, welcome back to ZEN Weekly. It's time for our AI deep dive.
Yeah, looking forward to this one.
We've got tons of stuff to cover this week. I feel like every time we do this, it's like more and more is coming out.
The pace is accelerating, yeah. It's incredible.
This week, Apple finally launched their AI assistant.
Yeah.
Some interesting legal stuff. Even an AI that can understand memes.
Right.
So you ready to jump in?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so Apple Intelligence is finally here.
Mm-hmm.
iOS 18.1. It's been a long time coming. A lot of hype, a lot of rumors. I've been playing around with it.
Okay.
I've got to say I am a little underwhelmed.
Oh, really?
It's great for like summarizing notifications, adding descriptions to photos, practical stuff like that.
Yeah.
Which is helpful, for everyday tasks, but
Yeah.
not exactly mind-blowing.
Yeah, compared to some of the stuff that we're seeing from other companies, it does feel like Apple is playing it a little safe this time.
Yeah.
Focusing more on practicality than like pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Exactly. I mean, we're seeing other AI assistants experimenting with text-to-image generation, really advanced contextual awareness.
Right.
And Apple Intelligence just kind of sticks to the basics.
Yeah.
Which is a little surprising to me,
Yeah.
honestly, especially because Siri is still relying so heavily on ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Instead of, integrating Apple's own cutting-edge voice models that they've been developing.
Right, right.
It just seems like a missed opportunity to really showcase what their own technology can do.
Yeah. What do you think is going on there? Do you think it's, they're prioritizing privacy maybe, or?
Yeah, I mean, that's possible.
Okay.
Apple's always been very vocal about user privacy and data security.
Right.
So maybe they're being a little more cautious with how they roll out these features.
Yeah.
Or maybe they're just, biding their time, waiting for the right moment to really unleash the full potential of their AI.
Right.
Who knows? It's going to be interesting to see how this develops.
Yeah, definitely.
So moving on, GitHub made a pretty big splash this week. They are now offering developers access to multiple AI models.
Oh, wow.
We're talking Claude. We're talking Sonnet, Gemini, even their own in-house model, 01.
Wow. So they're not limiting developers to just one option anymore.
It's like an AI buffet. You can choose whichever model best suits your needs.
That's a big shift. Why do you think they did that?
Well, I think there are a couple of reasons. First of all, it diversifies their AI capabilities.
Right.
They're not relying solely on one provider like OpenAI anymore. And second, it gives developers more freedom and flexibility.
Right.
They can experiment with different models, see what works best for their specific projects.
Okay. That makes sense.
And you know what else? They've also launched this new tool called Spark.
Oh, okay. I heard of that.
Which is pretty amazing. It lets you build applications using natural language.
So you don't even need to know how to code.
No. You just tell Spark what you want to create, and it does the heavy lifting for you.
Oh, wow.
And talk about accessibility. Right?
Yeah, that's huge.
This is putting the power of AI into the hands of anyone, even if you don't have a technical background.
So, like, if I wanted to build an app that, helps me organize my recipes, I could just, tell Spark.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it would generate the code for you.
Wow. That's really impressive.
And if we zoom out a little bit, this move by GitHub could be the start of something much bigger.
Like what?
AI model marketplaces. Imagine a future where developers have access to a whole library of AI models.
Right.
From different providers all in one place. They can mix and match, choose the best tools for the job.
That would be incredible.
It's like the App Store, but for AI.
Wow.
So speaking of big moves, Meta is apparently working on their own search engine.
Really?
Yeah, powered by their Llama models.
Interesting.
So this could be a major challenge to Google's dominance.
Yeah, that's a bold move. Do you think they can pull it off?
I mean, they definitely have the resources.
Yeah, they have the user base, they have the data.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But, they do lack a strong hardware strategy, which is a bit of a weakness in the AI arms race.
Right.
But they did just make a deal with Raiders to bring real-time news